So the next thing that we're going to talk about are the periods. So what are periods? So periods are horizontal rows of elements on the periodic table. These are horizontal rows of elements on the periodic table. Then on the periodic table we have 7 periods. And elements are arranged in a certain period according to the number of shells they have. If we look at helium and nitrogen on the periodic table, they are both in period 1. And the reason why helium and hydrogen are in period 1 because they only have one electronic structure. Then if we go to period 2, the elements from lithium to neon, the elements from lithium to neon, they are in period 2, and the reason is because they have 2 electronic structures. Then if we look at the elements that are in period 3, so from sodium to argon, they are in period 3 because they have 3 electronic structures. In the periods from period 1 to period 3, they are referred to as short periods, and the other periods, which is period 4, 5, 6, and 7, are referred to as the long periods. So that's the definition of the periods and the groups. Where you have definitions, where you have questions, you can post them in the group. Then the next thing that we're going to talk about are the group 1 elements. So the group 1 elements So the group 1 elements are also referred to as the alkali metals. And these elements, they are highly reactive with water and oxygen. That's why they are stored under oil or under paraffin. It's because they are highly reactive. The next thing that we're going to talk about are the physical properties of the group 1 elements. So the physical properties. So the first physical property is that they can be freshly cut with a knife. So you can cut them with a knife. Cut with a knife. The other physical property is that they are soft. These group 1 elements are soft. The other chemical property is that they have a low density, and that's why they can float on water. So low density, that is why they can float on water. Then the other physical property is that they have a low melting and low boiling point. So low melting and boiling point. The other physical property is that they are good conductors of both heat and electricity. So good conductors of both heat and electricity. Let us now look